Let's go, team!
In the year 2964, the Earth's rotation has came to a halt, leaving behind a powerful wasteland found deep in the bowels of the Earth.
But as the apocalypse strikes, it has given birth to the evil King Aelio and his wife, Queen Andromeda. Together, they stop at nothing to keep the rotation of the Earth frozen and mankind doomed forever.
By creating a vast collection of alien monsters through trial and error, these powerful aliens will stop at nothing to make the world theirs forever. But luckily, out of the shadows comes a new team of biomorphic heroes, specially trained to bring down evil forces and protect mankind.
Their leader, Jeffrey Rogers, specially trained with the powers of the Red Biohero.
Waluigi Wario, a greedy but kind man with the powers of the Blue Atomic Cop. Chuck, the fast and speedy bird with the powers of the Navy Mecha Cop.
And Judy Hawk, the first bunny cop with the powers of the Pink Ninja.
Together they form the Galaxy Protectors. And together they have one goal. Stop King Aelio and Queen Andromeda and save the planet Earth.